If you are looking for freelance work online, you have probably heard of People Per Hour, but is it actually worth your time in 2026? In this video, I'll break down what it is, how it works, the pros and cons, and whether you should use it or skip it. What is People Per Hour? People Per Hour is a freelancing platform where businesses hire freelancers for projects or hourly work. It is similar to Fiverr and Upwork, but it focuses more on skilled professionals like designers, developers, writers, and marketers. You can either apply to job postings or sell pre made services called offers. How it works. First, you create a profile highlighting your skills and experience. Then, you get a limited number of proposals each month to apply for jobs. Clients post projects, and freelancers and proposals explaining why they are a good fit. There is also the offers feature where you create fixed price services similar to Fiverr gigs. Once hired, payments are handled through the platform, and People Per Hour takes a commission. Pricing and fees. People Per Hour charges freelancers a service fee based on earnings, 20% for the first £250, 7.5% up to £5,000, 3.5% beyond that. So, yes, fees are high at the beginning, but they decrease as you earn more from the same client. Pros: easy to get started with a simple profile. Offers feature helps you earn without constantly applying. Lower competition compared to Upwork. Secure payments through escrow. Good for beginners and intermediate freelancers. Cons: limited proposals per month unless you pay. High fees for new freelancers. Approval process can be strict. Not as many job opportunities as bigger platforms. Some low budget clients. Who should use it? People Per Hour is best for beginners trying to get their first freelance clients, freelancers in design, writing, or digital marketing, anyone who wants an alternative to crowded platforms like Upwork. But if you are highly experienced or want higher paying clients, platforms like Upwork or TopTal might be better. Final verdict. So is People Per Hour worth it in 2026? Yes, but with some limitations. It is a solid platform to start freelancing, especially if you use the offers feature smartly. However, don't rely on it alone. Use it alongside other platforms to maximize your chances. If you found this video helpful and useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews. Turn on the bell icon in order to not miss anything like this content. And let me know down below in the comments, have you tried People Per Hour before or not, and how was your experience? And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.